Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question in exercise 7.1. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. So first let's note the points, the origin that is a 0, 0 and the point 36, 15. So first let's note down the distance formula. So distance is equal to square root of, I can either write x1 minus x2 the whole square or x2 minus x1 the whole square. So this time I'm placing it as x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square. The order inside here doesn't matter because if you swap the positions of x1 and x2, it's only going to be a minus sign which will be corrected by the square term here. So now let's mark the x1s and x2s. This is x1, y1 and this is going to be the x2, y2s. So let's apply the distance formula. So distance is equal to square root of 0 minus 36 the whole square plus 0 minus 15 the whole square. So d is equal to square root of minus 36 the whole square is simply 36 square minus 15 the whole square is again 15 square. So d is equal to square root of 36 is going to be 1296. Square root of 15 is 225. So d is equal to square root of 1521. Now let's find out the square root of this function by doing long division. So 1521, I'm pairing it like this. So 3 3s are 9. So remainder is 6. I bring down the 21. So I double it here as 6. Now I need to place a number here such that they match the same. It is ending in 9, so 1. So I have only two options, 61 or 9. So 69 into 9, 9 9s are 81, 8, 9 6 are 54 plus 8 is 62. So this is 6 and 9 here. So 621 is 0. So square root of 1521 is 39. So the distance between these 2 points is 39 units. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this exercise.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.